Hey, what's up everyone, it's your old pal Oliver is Awesome, back here again.
With Violet.
And we're back here on Sonic Boom Shattered Crystal once again, because we've got some extras to show off. So we're starting here at Styx Burrow, where we have the ability to 100% complete the crystal. I have been eagerly awaiting this because it looks so cool when fully repaired. Just look at this, ready? Do you see how awesome that looks? That looks so cool.
I tell you, I was so shocked to see that in my copy.
But that's not all. We have received a purple token. And redeeming that, we get a figurine showing off our heroes. Okay, so with that covered, this is what you do with all the blueprints you collect, and you unlock a new ability every time you complete one of these puzzles, and we have one more puzzle to build, so let's get that built real quick. And there we go. We now have the Mega Sprint and have now completed every single unlockable ability in Tails' workshop. Doesn't look like there's a reward for 100%ing it though, but other than that, that's how you can unlock more abilities, and that's why it's beneficial to collect every blueprint in the game. Next, I have something to show you, which I think is awesome. We get the Sonic Boom Prologue comic, and I've been eagerly awaiting to show this off. Thousands of years ago. Kaboom! Now do you... Oh, I'm sorry.
Now do you see, you old fools? I am unstoppable!
No! Thacoom!
That crystal was mine! Its power!
Roar! All we've done is slow him. He'll be free one day. We must do what we can while he's incapacitated. The power of this crystal would have made him omnipotent. We must take the shards and scatter them. The present.
Idiots! It was futile to try to stop me! I will have what's rightfully mine! You need an army for that? You object? No, justice must be had by any means necessary. I like your style. You will serve me well. I serve no one. I insist. Clack. Welcome to my army, fool!
Days later. Rumble.
I told them the rocks were out to get me!
Hey, Styx, having fun?
Ha! You're funny!
I'll handle these. Clud. Wump. Thud.
Dang, Knuckles got bopped!
Yep.
Sonic, grab on!
Is this thing safe? Thanks. Just grab on. And what were you doing down there? I was getting info from the rocks. I was! An underground army's gonna rise up and destroy us all! Ugh, I'm going back to my research. Knuckles, I'll need help. Okay. Are we there yet? Nope. Are we there yet? Nope. Hey, are we there yet? No! Are we there yet? Why don't you just stand guard? Sure. I'll keep this place secure. Yeah, you do that. Yep. Keeping things secure.
Dang, Knuckles is so stupid.
He's the funniest guy in the whole Sonic Boom universe. Much later, and these ancient glyphs are still legible. One keeps coming up. It seems to translate to lyric?
Am I so easily forgotten?
Who are you? What are you?
Bah! I am Lyric, timeless overlord of this world. This time you will help me in my conquest.
Back off, Lyric!
Not until you tell me what those symbols say.
To be continued in game, and I guess that's where the actual game begins, so there's that. And one final thing we'll show off is Amy's house. We now have 34 of the emblems, so let's unlock it.
It says time to party.
And we're gonna see why. Because we get to party after our hard fought quest. Yep. Yeah, some people didn't like this, but I loved it. I thought this was amazing. I mean, look at what's going on. Look at all these dance moves. Sorry about that. I got an interruption on my phone. This is so cool. I love this a lot. Alright. Alright, now that's about all I wanted to cover in this video, so thank you guys for watching, comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with another video on something else. Bye.